Did you know that after the age of 50, your body produces 30% less collagen than before? And that number keeps dropping every single year. Collagen is the protein that holds your body together. It keeps your joints smooth, your skin firm, and your blood vessels strong. But when collagen levels drop, things start to fall apart. Literally. Your knees hurt when you walk. Your legs swell after sitting. Your joints feel stiff in the morning. You may even see sagging skin, thinning hair, or weak nails. But the most dangerous part is what you don't see. Weak collagen inside your body can lead to poor circulation, fragile bones, and even joint damage. And if you ignore it, this silent problem can lead to painful arthritis, loss of mobility, and even falls. That's why you must watch this video. Because today, I'll show you 10 powerful collagen-rich foods that can reduce swelling, ease pain, and make your joints move like they did 20 years ago. These foods are natural, easy to find, and scientifically proven to help your body rebuild collagen. We'll also bust some common myths that may be stopping your collagen from working. So let's begin. First, let's talk about the #1 collagen food that's been used for thousands of years: bone broth. Bone broth is made by slowly simmering animal bones for 12 to 24 hours. This releases gelatin, amino acids, and type 1 and 2 collagen, which are exactly what your joints and skin need. 1 cup a day can reduce joint pain, support your cartilage, and make your legs feel lighter and stronger. It's also full of glycine and proline, 2 amino acids that repair damaged tissue. Add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper while cooking, and it becomes a powerful anti-inflammatory drink. Next up, eggs, especially the whites and the yolks. Egg whites are full of amino acids like lysine and proline, which your body uses to make new collagen. The yolk contains biotin, which strengthens your skin, hair, and connective tissue. Seniors should eat at least 1 whole egg per day. But don't fry it in bad oils. Boiled or poached is best. And please, stop throwing away the yolk. That's where the healing nutrients are. Now let's talk about something most people throw away: chicken skin. Yes, chicken skin is rich in type 2 collagen. That's the exact kind found in your cartilage and joints. It's also used in many joint supplements. But here's the trick: don't deep fry it. Instead, bake it or cook it with healthy spices. In one study, people with joint pain who consumed type 2 collagen from chicken cartilage saw a big reduction in stiffness and swelling in just 90 days. So enjoy your chicken skin, in moderation and without the junk oils. Speaking of skin, here's another one you shouldn't ignore: salmon skin. It's not only tasty when cooked right, but also rich in marine collagen and omega-3 fats. Omega-3 helps fight inflammation in your joints and improves blood flow to your legs. Many seniors notice less stiffness and better mobility when they include salmon in their diet twice a week. Just bake or grill the salmon with the skin on. Don't peel it off. That's where the healing power is. Up next, citrus fruits: oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. These fruits don't have collagen, but they help your body make it. How? Because they are packed with vitamin C. Without vitamin C, your body can't build or maintain collagen. It acts like a glue that holds collagen fibers together. That's why people with vitamin C deficiency often have weak joints, bleeding gums, and slow healing. Just 1 orange or lemon a day can improve collagen production and reduce swelling. Squeeze lemon into your water or add oranges to your breakfast. It's an easy and powerful fix. Now let's sweeten the list a little with berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are full of antioxidants that protect your collagen from damage. They also contain vitamin C and plant compounds called anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation in the joints. Eat a small bowl of berries every day. Mix them into your yogurt, oatmeal, or just eat them plain. They taste good and heal your body at the same time. Moving on to garlic. Yes, the smelly little bulb in your kitchen is actually a collagen protector. Garlic contains sulfur, which is essential for making and preserving collagen. It also boosts antioxidants that protect your joints from free radical damage. Studies show that garlic can slow down cartilage breakdown in people with arthritis. Chop it, crush it, or roast it. But try to eat 1 to 2 cloves a day. Your joints will love it, even if your breath doesn't. Next, one of the most loved and misunderstood foods: avocados. These creamy fruits are rich in healthy fats and vitamin E. Vitamin E protects collagen in your skin and joints from damage. The fats in avocado also support joint lubrication. That means less friction, less pain, and smoother movement. Have half an avocado with toast or salad. Add a pinch of lemon juice for an extra collagen boost. Now, let's look at humble plant proteins. Beans. Lentils, black beans, and chickpeas are rich in amino acids that help make collagen. They're also high in zinc and copper, 2 minerals your body needs to form strong collagen. Beans help reduce blood sugar spikes, which is important because high sugar levels can damage collagen through a process called glycation. Add beans to your soup, salad, or curry. Try to eat them at least 3 times a week. Lastly, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with chlorophyll, a plant pigment that increases the production of procollagen. They also provide magnesium, vitamin C, and iron, all of which support collagen formation. Eat your greens raw in salads or lightly steamed. Don't overcook them or you'll lose the vitamins. You can also blend them into smoothies for a refreshing anti-aging drink. Now, before we move on, here's something important. Even if you eat all these foods, you can still destroy your collagen if you eat too much sugar. Sugar sticks to collagen fibers and makes them hard and brittle. This leads to sagging skin, painful joints, and swelling in the legs. That's why cutting sugar is just as important as eating collagen-rich foods. Avoid sodas, pastries, candy, and processed carbs. Choose natural sweeteners like raw honey in small amounts, or use cinnamon to flavor your foods. Also, be careful with your cooking methods. Frying, overcooking, or using bad oils like vegetable oil can damage collagen. Always use healthy oils like olive oil or ghee. Bake or steam instead of deep frying. And don't forget water. Collagen needs hydration to stay elastic. Dehydration makes your joints feel stiff and your skin look dry. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber to make it refreshing. So, let's quickly recap the top 10 collagen-rich or collagen-boosting foods you must add to your diet. Number 1. Bone broth. Number 2. Eggs. Number 3. Chicken skin. Number 4. Salmon skin. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Number 6. Berries. Number 7. Garlic. Number 8. Avocados. Number 9. Beans. Number 10. Leafy greens. Each of these foods has a unique way of supporting your joints, skin, and legs. Together, they give your body the tools to rebuild collagen, reduce swelling, and make your movement smoother. If you start adding just 3 or 4 of these to your daily meals, you'll start noticing changes in just a few weeks. Less pain, more energy, better mobility, and maybe even firmer skin. But we're not done yet. Now that you know the 10 most powerful collagen-rich foods, the next step is learning how to eat them correctly and avoid the common mistakes that ruin your collagen levels. This is the most important part, because just eating the right foods isn't enough. You have to cook them properly, combine them with the right nutrients, and avoid the habits that silently destroy collagen in your body every single day. Let's start with how to prepare these foods. First, never overcook your vegetables. Vitamin C is sensitive to heat and water. That means if you boil your spinach or kale for too long, most of the collagen-building nutrients will disappear. The solution is to steam them lightly for just 2 to 3 minutes. Or better yet, eat them raw in salads or smoothies. Next, avoid frying foods like chicken skin or salmon skin in vegetable oil. Oils like soybean, sunflower, and corn oil are high in omega-6 fats. These increase inflammation in your body, which damages collagen. They also release harmful chemicals when heated too high. Instead, Bake your chicken skin or grill your salmon with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado oil. These fats actually protect your collagen and help reduce joint pain. Also, remember this simple trick. Whenever you eat collagen-rich foods like bone broth, eggs, or chicken skin, make sure to eat something rich in vitamin C at the same time. Without vitamin C, your body cannot convert those amino acids into real collagen. For example, drink your bone broth with a squeeze of lemon. Add orange slices to your breakfast eggs. Or make a chicken and bell pepper stir-fry. These small changes will help your body absorb more collagen and heal faster. Now let's talk about sugar again, because sugar is one of the biggest enemies of collagen. When you eat sugar, it sticks to collagen fibers and makes them stiff and weak. This is called glycation. It leads to sagging skin, swollen joints, and brittle blood vessels. Seniors who eat a lot of sugar often feel more joint pain, have slower wound healing, and look older than their real age. The fix is simple. Cut back on all added sugars. Stop drinking soda, fruit juices, and sweetened teas. Avoid pastries, donuts, and processed snacks. Switch to natural sweeteners like stevia or use raw honey in very small amounts. You'll start to feel less inflammation in your legs and see real changes in your skin and movement. Also, don't forget hydration. Water is essential for healthy collagen. When you're dehydrated, your skin becomes dry and your joints become stiff. Collagen needs water to stay elastic and flexible. Seniors should aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can add lemon, cucumber, or mint to make it more refreshing. Drink a glass first thing in the morning and keep sipping throughout the day. This simple habit helps flush toxins, reduce swelling, and improve blood circulation in your legs. Now, let's move on to the most helpful part, your daily collagen meal plan. This plan is easy, simple, and full of the foods we talked about. You don't need expensive supplements, just real healing food. For breakfast, start your day with 2 boiled eggs, half an avocado, and a slice of orange or a few berries. This gives your body protein, healthy fats, and vitamin C. If you prefer something warm, try oatmeal topped with strawberries and a side of scrambled eggs. Mid-morning, sip on a cup of bone broth. Add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper to fight swelling. This keeps you full and helps your joints heal. For lunch, have a piece of grilled salmon with the skin on. Add a side of lightly steamed spinach or kale. Top it with lemon juice and a drizzle of olive oil. You can also make a big salad with leafy greens, chickpeas, tomatoes, avocado, and garlic dressing. If you're vegetarian, a bowl of lentil soup with whole grain toast and citrus slices is a great option. In the afternoon, enjoy a snack of nuts and berries. Almonds give you vitamin E, and berries protect your collagen from damage. You can also try a green smoothie made with kale, cucumber, lemon, and a handful of berries. For dinner, cook a piece of chicken with the skin on. Bake it with garlic and herbs. Add steamed broccoli and mashed sweet potato. This gives you collagen, sulfur compounds, fiber, and vitamin C. If you're plant-based, go for tofu or beans sautéed with garlic and kale. Add brown rice and lemon juice for a balanced collagen-boosting meal. Before bed, drink a warm cup of turmeric milk or chamomile tea. This helps reduce inflammation and repair tissue while you sleep. You can also eat a small piece of dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, for its antioxidant benefits. These foods and drinks will keep your joints lubricated and reduce overnight swelling in your legs and ankles. Now let's talk about some lifestyle habits that make a big difference. First, get moving. Collagen responds to movement. When you move your body, you stimulate collagen production in your joints and tendons. You don't need to go to the gym. Just walk for 20 minutes a day. Do chair yoga. Try gentle stretches. Even light gardening or dancing counts. Movement keeps your joints flexible and strengthens the muscles around them. Next, focus on sleep. Your body repairs collagen while you sleep. Seniors who sleep less than 6 hours a night often show faster aging and more joint problems. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. Avoid screens before bedtime. Drink calming herbal teas like chamomile, passion flower, or lemon balm. Good sleep boosts healing and reduces pain naturally. Another key point: cut back on alcohol and avoid smoking. Both alcohol and tobacco destroy collagen. They create oxidative stress and increase inflammation in your body. If you want healthy joints and skin, cutting these habits is essential. Even reducing alcohol to just 1 drink a week can make a big difference in your healing process. Also, protect your skin from too much sun. UV rays break down collagen in the skin and blood vessels. Always wear a hat, long sleeves, or a natural sunscreen if you're going outside. Your skin is the first place where collagen loss shows up. Now here's a quick myth buster. What about collagen powders and pills? Can they replace food? Some can help, especially hydrolyzed collagen peptides, which are easier to absorb. But real food is still better. Why? Because whole foods give you other nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, copper, and antioxidants that your body needs to build collagen properly. A powder can help, but it won't work well if your diet is still full of sugar, bad oils, and processed junk. So focus on food first. Supplements are just a bonus. Finally, let's go over the signs that your collagen is improving. Within 2 to 4 weeks, you'll notice less stiffness when waking up. Your legs won't swell as much by the evening. Your knees and ankles will feel more stable. You'll see smoother skin and stronger nails. After 6 to 8 weeks, many seniors report more energy, fewer aches, and better flexibility. Your balance improves. Walking becomes easier. You feel younger, not just outside, but inside too. So don't wait. Start today. Choose just 3 foods from the list and add them to your next meal. Swap out sugar for lemon water. Steam your greens instead of boiling them. Walk around the block after lunch. Drink more water. These small steps build up fast, and they bring real powerful results. Because collagen isn't just about beauty. It's about strength. It's about independence. It's about keeping your legs moving, your joints pain-free, and your life full of freedom and joy. You deserve that. So, take action now. Share this video with a friend or loved one who needs help with joint pain. Subscribe for more natural healing tips every week. And leave a comment below. What collagen-rich food will you eat first? We're here to help you every step of the way. Your body can heal, your joints can rebuild, and it all starts with what you put on your plate. Let food be your medicine, and collagen be your secret weapon for healthy aging. You've got this.